Hi everyone, this video will be dedicated to the art of Eric Dowdle, whose paintings could serve you as a perfect inspiration for Halloween and also for Christmas time. Eric Dowdle was born in a huge family with 12 children in Idaho, then family moved to Massachusetts, Wyoming, and now he lives with his wife and 5 children in Utah. He started to paint quite early, and from the beginning, from late 20s, he started also to develop his business around his art. So, apart from original paintings, he produced a lot of very popular jigsaw puzzles. Also, he have coloring books and a lot of other cute stuff under his trademark Dawdle Folk Art. I will leave you a link to his personal site where you can see full gallery of his paintings. But again, the reason why I decided to post this video now is because his Halloween paintings could serve us as a great help for choosing Halloween colors. He has quite an interesting style of paintings. First of all, I love his rich and bright colors, and I think that I got a lot of interesting ideas just from looking which colors he selects for his pictures. Also, it's a very interesting way of painting landscapes. He is quite famous for his series of paintings representing all American big cities and famous places, and also a lot of beautiful places in Canada and throughout the world, like Paris, like Seattle, like German places, like Italian cities. And he has quite interesting way of painting even huge and very detailed landscapes. As his paintings are designed to be jigsaw puzzles, his city paintings have a lot of details, but in the same time, they look flat. There is no big difference between the forefront and background, and it looks quite interesting, quite a unique way of presenting cities. I like that when I look at his pictures, I can find a huge amount of very interesting details, some fun characters, some cute elements, so you can spend a lot of time just looking at each and every detail. Eric Dowdle paintings dedicated to Halloween helped me to make videos about my favorite colors, my favorite pencils, which I use for coloring objects, which we can find on Halloween pictures. I hope that you will also watch this video about advice for coloring Halloween pictures, and I hope that you will also enjoy watching some of the Eric Dowdle city paintings. I think that such kind of jigsaw puzzle from your city or from place which you visited could be a perfect souvenir. And if you love to color books like Romantic Country by Iris or Night Voyage by Daria Song, where we have a lot of buildings, a lot of fantasy architecture, I'm sure that we can find a lot of inspiration looking at colors which Eric Doodle selected for clouds, for buildings, for mountains and trees, and also how he depict light on some parts of the landscape. So I think that we can find a lot of inspirational ideas. I thank you for watching another episode from my series What Inspired Me. I already have a list of them, and happy coloring to you!